Y'all, I said that I wasn't gonna make no content until I figured out if I won my court case, bro. So since I won my court case barely, we gonna get back into the content. I don't know, man. We just gonna take our time and get them put out. I've been reaching out to people like different actors, actresses, or people that I think would make the video pretty good. So far, only one person really reached out to me. And of course I have myself and one other person, so 3 people so far. I'm gonna get to writing the content again and see what different characters I really need. And after that, I don't know, I'm gonna just have to piece it together daily. But I'm definitely about to get back on the content, y'all, especially the vlogging and stuff like that, because, you know, court over with. My attention is back focused on that. Now I do gotta do some classes and stuff like that the judge said I had to do, which is cool, you know what I'm saying? It's better than the alternative. So we're gonna knock those classes out. And then again, like I said, not to reiterate, we're gonna get back to the content. Somebody's staring at me, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, man. I appreciate everybody that likes, subscribe, that watch my content all the way through, that shoot me messages in the inbox or either on the videos, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate that, y'all. For real, man. I know I'm still like a small content creator, but again, I still appreciate every view that come through. Even if it's 10 people that watch my videos, I'm not tripping, because I do content to vent. So just seeing those 10 people appreciate what I put out, it mean the world to me. So anyway, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. What y'all think about Tyler Perry's new movie? I'm gonna leave y'all with that. Leave it in the comment section down below. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.
I don't lose composure. Yeah, girl, my champion lover. Would you wait for me, girl?
Y'all, I'm in McDonald's, man. I'm about to order my boy some hamburgers. I've been meaning to bring him like some chicken or something like that. He been pretty bad lately, but I'm still gonna reward him with some hamburgers, no cheese, and see if he like them. I'm pretty sure he gonna tear them up. Probably not even gonna taste them, just straight swallow them as whole. But I'm pretty sure he gonna enjoy them. Just a little treat, not something that he gonna eat every day, of course, but just a treat. As y'all can see, I got the dog some hamburgers. Let's see if it's gonna focus in. It got my eyes. Y'all see? Well, y'all probably can't see it. I'll see y'all in a few. And they still put ketchup on here. I asked them for plain hamburgers. Why they still got mustard and ketchup on them? So they did this one right. Must have only thought I said one, but I edited all of them. Got my girl something to walk on. I ain't eating today. Ooh. Hey, that junk looks so good, yo. Got the broccoli, got the fish, got the rice right there. Oh yeah. We both on a diet, but you know, you can still eat good. Sheesh. All right, y'all. So I know I had the beginning of this video, but the whole video is about this. I know that what is that thing called? The Nintendo Switch 2 has dropped or whatever like that, but that's not what I'm here for. It's been a year since this product's been out and I just heard about it, so I had to get it. Now the Nintendo Switch is specifically for Switch players, and shout out to them, y'all got a new console. I heard it was dope, but this big boy right here from the Lenovo is a lot bigger than the Switch. It's pretty much comparable to the Switch, and I'm pretty sure the Switch is going to have better longevity because the part 2 of the Lenovo Legion Go is coming out this year, but I didn't feel like waiting, and every time I checked, when is the release date? When is the release date? Nobody knew. So I took it upon myself to get this bad boy right here. So let's get this bad boy opened up. I don't have like a knife or nothing. Look at her back there, stuffing her face. Oh wow, okay. And I got this for my tech channel. I kind of want to change my tech channel to a gaming channel, man. I'm kind of sick of buying products that I know that I'm not gonna keep, and this is probably gonna put me in a position to game more, because I know people want to see that too. I know I'm a lot older, but still my perspective on gaming is still relevant, because I started with the Super Nintendos, the Nintendos, and the Sega Genesis and stuff like that. We started this gaming era. Why not continue to be in it? And I'm pretty competitive when it comes to gaming. Now, this is my first PC, or gaming PC, even though it's a handheld, but I'm still excited, yo. All right, so this is what the box looks like. Yo. Hey, this is a big box. That was a lot of protection up in there, man. Legion Go 1. Part 2 again comes out this year, but I guess I missed the wave, so I got it now. All right, y'all, so I know a lot of creators already showed y'all this bad boy here. It's pretty dope. Let's get this bad boy up out of here. We got in these compartments right here. At the very bottom, we got books and stuff. What Flossie Carter say? Pluck it and file it. All right, so we got a random box here. I'm pretty sure this is like the AC adapter maybe. And it is. Pretty big adapter right here, man. Sheesh. As y'all see, USB-C at the very top right there. That's pretty dope. All right, so here goes a coupon code. Y'all know how I do on this channel. There is the coupon code right there. It says 15% off. I'm not sure what it's for, but maybe you guys can find out. Pretty sure it's probably for Lenovo. Maybe it's for service. Yeah, maybe it's like a service so you can get 15% off. Oh well, y'all got it. Okay, there's the packaging right there. Pretty dope. All right, here we go. Let's get this bad boy open, man. I'm ready to see the device. Sheesh. Boy, they got so much packaging, man. So much stuff to get in the way. So this right here is so that I can put one of the joysticks in that little, I forgot what it's called, like the mouse mode or whatever. Maybe I should put this camera on product showcase. Let me do that right now. Tell me what you like. You can fuss and fight no matter. All right, let's get this out the plastic. Oh, sheesh. Man, I'm pretty sure that this bad boy right here is way bigger than the Switch 2, man. Oh, man, look at this. Woo. You got the detachable controllers right here on both sides. You got buttons over here. I'm pretty sure like they remappable. Man, I don't think I'm gonna use this though. Got the chutes up here. I don't think this is really comfortable for me. That's why I have the PS5 all black edition right here that I'm going to connect to this. Now I gotta set everything up, but you know, you're gonna hook up the black edition PS5 Edge controller right here and get the gaming experience. So both of these put together, man, just look at the aesthetics, man. Huh? Look like they just born to be together, man. We're gonna get a lot of gaming sessions in, hopefully make a lot of money with this, but that's neither here or there. I just gotta learn how to set it up for now. All right, so let's get a power up. Let's see, I'm assuming this is the power button. I don't want nothing, I can have it all. Make a nigga wanna beg for it on my knees and problem. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna have to really read the instructions. I'm pretty sure this button right here is how you, oh yeah, yep. As you can see, detachable. And then there's a little piece so I can detach both and play like I would normally play, like with a Switch as a controller, and use this bad boy as a controller. But it doesn't work like this, like a Switch does with the top buttons and everything. So that's probably what makes the Switch better. But you hit this little button right here, pull down, and boom. Now you're ready to game. I'm pretty sure that you probably can play like this, and that'll be a good experience. Plus, the display itself has like a keypad, stand, I'm sorry. And it's pretty dope, man. Let's see what type of connections I have. I have a USB-C at the very top right there. I'm pretty sure this is for volume up and down right here, these two buttons here. I have another USB-C at the bottom, if you guys can see that. And I believe that's it. I don't see anywhere that I can do like a HDMI cable. At least I'm pretty sure I've run the USB-C to HDMI and then connect it to an external display like that, which would be absolutely dope regardless of the fact. But you know, but I'm definitely not gonna be using these controllers right here. I'm 100% gonna be using the PS5 Edge controller. So yeah, so let me power this bad boy up and give y'all a little visual of that, and then that's gonna be the end of the video because I got a lot of setting up to do and I don't want to do all of that within this video. This is just like a first impressions type of video, and so far so good, but let's get it powered on so we can see that. All right, y'all, so I got it plugged up. As y'all can see, the RGB lights have come on right here. Got it looking pretty dope. I believe that's the power button right there. There's not that many buttons, so it's not that hard to like get it, like, you know, I'm pretty sure I know exactly what buttons are what is what I'm trying to say. This is the trackpad right here. So, and just in case you don't have a mouse, at the very bottom right there, which is pretty dope. Again, I'm trying to get you guys to see the screen and everything. So let's see if I can get that on for you. All right, I turned it back off. Turn it back on. Wow, I feel that fan already. It's like some hot air coming out of that fan, man. That's crazy. It's like so much heat. All right, so I guess I'll let it charge a little bit, and on the next video, I'll show exactly how it looks when it's turned on, which I'm pretty sure this has been a year that this thing has been out. Oh, there it is. It did something. I guess it's taking a while to boot up. I really hear those fans. That's crazy. It's a good thing I have some headphones though. Okay, so that's interesting. It's starting like in portrait mode, which is weird. Oh, okay, I guess it turns sideways. There's the windows. Yo, this is pretty dope. So let me set this up, man. I'm gonna see y'all on the next video. So far, I guess my first impressions, I only can really do like first impressions on what I actually see, and it's a pretty dope device. This is large, yo. I thought I was going to like have like a smaller screen or whatever like that. So far, this is amazing, yo. Like the screen looks crispy. I'm pretty sure I got to play around with some settings whenever I start gaming. I don't know anything about PC, so this is my first introduction to PC gaming. So hopefully I have a good experience. I have that 14-day window, and I will take this bad boy back. No hesitation. But hopefully it doesn't come to that. Anyway, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.